Hello and welcome students. Let us see our video number 3. Topic is matrices and the next part of the matrices we are now going to discuss. The part is algebra of matrices. In last 2 videos we have discussed definition of matrix. After that, various types of matrices. Okay, in this video we will discuss now if the two matrices are given, then what are their properties, how we can add the two matrices, how we can subtract the two matrices, how if you multiply a particular number with a given matrix, it is scalar multiple of a matrix. Okay, let's see one by one. Algebra of a matrices. Okay, our topic is algebra of matrices. See first part, equality of matrices. It is very easy. Let us say equality of matrices. First part is here, equality. Discussing here equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal if the corresponding elements are equal or same. Suppose a matrix is given. Suppose in a matrix A the numbers are 2, 9, 7. This is a matrix having first row. Here 1, 5, 0. Order is 2 by 3 because 2 rows and columns are 3. Let us take another matrix. Here B matrix. What is matrix B? Here again same number 2, 9, 7, 1, 5, 0. Order is 2 by 3. Look here, these are two matrices. Observe the position of each element given in first matrix as well as the position of elements given in second matrix. Now see, in first matrix here is a number 2 and the position is at first A1 position, here also here 2 and this position represents same one. Second 9, here also 9. Third 7 as it is. Second row 150, here also 150. Means here corresponding elements are equal. Hence we can say here corresponding elements are same. Corresponding elements are same. Hence the given two matrices are equal. Hence given matrices, given matrix A and matrix B are equal. Okay, hence the two matrices are equal. Okay, let us see now one more example. Second example, suppose a matrix is given X, Y, Z and here P, Q, R. These are the elements of the matrices denoted by small letter we know. So these are the elements. This is the matrix A. Matrix B having same elements here X, Y, Z, here P, Q, R. Look here, matrix first and matrix second. These are two matrices are given and try to observe corresponding element. This position is So first row, first column having x. Here, first row, first column also having x. Second, first row, second column, this position, y. Here also y. First row, third column, z. First row, third column, z. Means the corresponding elements x, y, z are one and the same. P, Q, R, here also P, Q, R, same. So here corresponding elements are same. Hence the matrix A is equal to matrix B. Okay, this is about two equal matrices. Okay, so in general we can say as capital A equal to Aij, capital A equal to Aij, and the order of this matrix is suppose M by N. Another matrix B, suppose Bij, order M by N. These matrices are said to be equal. These matrices are said to be equal. What is condition? Their order must be same. Order must be same. Orders of two matrices. Orders of two matrices are same. This is first condition. And number two, corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are equal. That is Aij equal to Bij. Aij all Aij equal dot Bij for all I and j. This is for all I and j. Okay, this is about the equality of two matrices. Okay, by using the equality of two matrices we can solve some examples. We can solve some examples which are easy to understand. Suppose if here given, if here x plus y 3 5x minus y, this is equal to here 8 3 5 here 3. Then find number 1 x plus y and number 2 x minus y. Okay, now see what is given. This is our example given. Look here, what is our given condition here? Here first matrix and second matrix, they are having equal sign, means two matrices are equal. Here what is given? X plus y, here 3, here 5, x minus y. This is equal to 8 3 5 3. This is given. These two matrices are having equal sign in between these two, means what? Corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are equal. Look at first position. This is our first position. First position says x plus y, and here first position says 8, means by equality two matrices, we can say as a by equality of two matrices, corresponding elements are same. Means here x plus y equal to what is position here? 8. This is number 1. Again here, look here, this is 3, this is also 3, equal number. Here 5, here also 5. It remains to find fourth number, x minus y. And here it is 3, give this is number 2. And hence these are the answer of value, that is x plus y and x minus y. We know these, the new equations to obtain, these two equations are in linear equations. And in school level, in 9th standard or in 10th standard, we have discussed the topic about linear equations in two variable. And by solving these two equations, that is x plus y equal to 8 and x minus y equal to what? 3. We can solve it. This by algebraically, we can find value of x and we can find value of y also. But in this example, here only find value of x, find value of x plus y and find value of x minus y. This is about equality of two matrices. Okay. Let us see next type. After this, we will discuss now next point here, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Next point. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Okay, now see multiplication of a matrix. Which type of matrix? Any type of matrix. Consider a matrix. Let A is equal to, A is a matrix. Suppose here number 2, this is a 2, here 5, 10. This is our first row. Second here 1, 2, 3. This matrix is having order 2 by 3. Then find value of 10a. Find value of 10a. Look here, what is here, which number is here? 10. 10 is a scalar. 10 is a scalar. Instead of 10, we can take 3, 2 or minus 1, root 1, any number. So that is a scalar. So let A equal to this matrix, then find 10A. So this is a matrix multiplying. So our answer here, what is matrix given? A is equal to 2, 5, 10. After that 1, 2, 3. 2 by 3. This is order. And we have to find here, we have to find 10a. Here 10a is equal to multiplying matrix by 10. 10 multiply by, hold this bracket. So 2, 5, 10. 1, 2, 3. Order same, 2 by 3. Look here, the number 10, a scalar number 10, which is outside this matrix. So according to the matrix multiplication of a matrix by a scalar, multiply this 10 with each element. I am saying each element, not only one row, not only one column. So here multiply this 10 with all elements. So we will get now here, what will our answer? 10 multiply by 2. So 10 multiplied by 2 we can say as a 20. Here 10 multiplied by 5, 50. 10 multiplied by 10, 100. This is our first row. Second row, here 10, here 20, here 30. Order 2 row, columns are 3. Okay, this is about matrix multiplication. This is the answer of 10A. Okay, okay. Let us see one more example based on same concept. Okay, that is matrix multiplication by a scalar. Suppose a matrix is given. Suppose A equal to here 1 1 3 0 0 9. Again here 1 3 2. This is a matrix of order 3 by 3, and we have to find. Then find number 1. 1 upon 2A. 1 upon 2A. After that minus 2A. Let us discuss these two examples. Okay, about first. What is here 1 upon 2A? We are finding now the value of 1 upon 2A. So keep 1 upon 2 as it is. And what is A? A means this matrix 1 1 3 0 0 9 1 3 to order 3 by 3. According to our result, according to our rule, multiply this half with each element, we will get our answer. What is the answer here? So multiply 1 upon 2 with this. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 here. 3 by 2. Okay. This is our first row. Second row with this. 0. 1 upon 2 with 0. Here 0, 0, 9 upon 2. And row number third. 1 upon 2, 3 upon 2, 2 upon 2. 2 upon 2. Or we can say as a only, instead of writing this, we can say as a only 1, and order is here 3 by 3. This is the answer of which matrix? 1 upon 2A matrix multiplication. Let us find the answer of our second example. Second, what is here? Minus of 2A. Now minus 2A, this is equal to minus 2, and A means this matrix is given. Okay, so multiply. What is the answer here? It is very easy one. This matrix multiply by not only 2 but minus 2. So it is very easy one. Here minus 2, here also minus 2, here minus 6. This is row number first. Second row 0, here 0, here 9 to the 10. Minus 2 with second row. Again minus 2 with this. Minus 2, minus 3 to the 6. Here minus 4. Okay, and this is the answer of minus 2A. Thus, we have discussed how we multiply the given matrix by a scalar, and also solve some examples based on same concept. Let us see actually a general definition of the matrix multiplication by a scalar. If a matrix is given like this, if A equal to here Aij order m by n, if this matrix is given, if A equal to this is a matrix, okay, then K of A is equal to, what is K? K is a scalar. K of A is represented by K into what? Ai, J, order M by N. So, by multiplying K with each element of a given matrix, we will get the new matrix which consists the particular number K with each element of a matrix. That is, this concept is called matrix multiplication of a given matrix by a scalar. Okay. Let us discuss about related property. These properties are important one. First property is here, P into bracket A plus minus B. We can represent this as like this, P of A plus minus P of B. This is a property related with matrix multiplication. And what is actually meaning of this matrix? See here, suppose A is a matrix, B is also matrix, but here are the addition. So this is about addition of two matrices. Okay, suppose for example here, suppose instead of P is a scalar. Suppose P means 7 is given, and here A plus minus B. These are two matrices. A is a matrix, B is a matrix of same order. Then we can represent as 7A, 7 multiplied by first matrix, plus minus 7 multiplied by second matrix B. This is very easy to understand because this example based on above property. Or same example we can represent as, suppose P of A plus, P of A means 10 of A plus 10 of B. If same type of answer is given, then use same concept. Here LHS equal to RHS, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Similar way, right hand side equal to what? Left hand side. So use, instead of this, P of A means 10 of A, look here, 10 of A, plus minus, here I have taken here plus, P of B means 10 of B. Take 10 common from this, what will remain? A plus B. A plus B, again the two matrices. But condition here, A and B, the two matrices must be of same order. This is about what? If addition of the two matrices multiply by a scalar, then resultant to different matrices of form. That is P with first matrix plus minus P with a second matrix. In some reference book, some properties are also given, and instead of P there is a written K. K is a constant, any number say, K of this we can separate like this. So this is again property having same conclusion. Okay. Now let us see now property number second. Okay, property number second is here. 0 multiplied by A. 0 multiplied by A. What will answer? In our algebra, 0 multiplied by 3. What is answer? 0. This is in our algebraic law, or in arithmetic we can say 0 multiplied by 3, answer is 0. Same way, 0 multiplied by here A. A means what? A means a given matrix. Here 0 we can say as a 0 matrix. Okay. So what is the answer? Answer is here 0. Answer is 0. For example, suppose a matrix is given like this. Suppose a matrix is given 0 in a matrix, 3 to 1, 2 root 3, 8. What is our answer? Our answer will be here. What? Look here. 0 with a, answer is 0. Answer is 0. Okay. Or we can use our this property, first property, that is multiplication of a matrix by scalar. Look here. Use our that property. Outside a matrix there is a 0 and 0 is a scalar. So multiply this 0 with all elements. 0 multiplied by 3, 0. 0 multiplied by 2, 0. 0 multiplied by 1, again 0. 0 multiplied by this 2, 0. 0 multiplied by this, again 0. 0 multiplied by 8, 0. Order, here order 2 by 3. Here order 2 by. Why 2 by 3? 2 rows and 3 columns. Here also. And where is here 0 multiplied with? As here we get a 0 matrix. This is a 0 matrix. And we have discussed the definition of 0 matrix. 0 matrix means matrix having every element is 0. Hence this is a 0 matrix. We can say as a 0 matrix. So this is about if a given matrix multiply by a 0, scalar 0, we'll get the answer 0. After that, let us see the next property, third one. P multiply by 0, answer is 0. This is a new property. What is P? P means what? Scalar. Suppose a scalar is given 3 and this is a 0. 0 means 0 matrix. So 0 matrix means 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Order is here 3 by 3. Again use same concept. This is a matrix and outside matrix there is a 3 sign. So multiply this 3 with every element which is given here. So here 0, 0, 0, here also 0, 0, 0, third row also give 0, so 3 by 3. Thus this is about, it means what? If there is any number outside a 0 matrix, multiply that number with every element which is given in the matrix, so answer will be 0. Okay. If consider one more example. If a matrix is given of different order, suppose here 7 given and order here order 0, 0, 0. What is the order of this matrix? First row first, column 3. So this is given. What is the answer? According to our this rule, if a 0 matrix multiply by any number, answer is 0. So multiply the given matrix. Multiply this matrix by 7. 7 is a non-zero number. So multiply this, what will answer here? 0. This is also 0, 0. So 1 multiplied by 3. Hence this is again a 0 matrix, means we can represent as a 0 matrix. Okay. These properties are very important one. Okay. Now let us see one more property. If P is given, Q is given, and here I am writing like this. So this property we can represent. P is a scalar, Q is also scalar. So in the next year, take Q first. This Q take at this position and P take at this position. So here will be P of A. So combinedly we can say like this. This is again a basic property in a matrix. Look here. Let us take one example. So take any value of P and any value of Q also. Suppose I have taken 5, here 3 of A. If this example is given, so we can according to this rule shift or take this 3 at this position, 5 taken inside. So 5 3s are 15a. 5 3s are 15a. This is our answer. Or simply 5 3s are 15. Answer 1. One more example. 1 upon 2 multiply by 10a. Suppose this type of example is given. So you can solve according to this rule as 1 upon 2 multiply. This is P. This is Q. Last answer P Q into A. Just like P means 10. Here A. Divide this 2 with this 10. So we will get 5A. These are some examples related to this property. Okay. Now this is about this equality of, thus we have discussed equality of matrices. After that, matrix multiplication. Let us see now addition of two matrices. Addition of matrices. The new point is here, addition of two matrices. Addition of two matrices. Okay. What is the addition of two matrices? Let us discuss now. If matrix A is given, if a matrix A is given like this, 5 2 7. This is our matrix having first row, second row 1 2 1. What is the order here? Order is here 2 rows. See here. 2 rows and columns are 3. Column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. Okay. This is a matrix A. Okay. And here another matrix B is equal to here 2, 2, 2, 1, 0, 3. What is the order? Again 2 by 3. If these are two matrices, then find A plus B. So here we are going to discuss how to find addition of the two matrices. Addition of two matrices. But for the addition of two matrices, one important condition is here. Order must be same. Order of first matrix 2 by 3. Order of second matrix 2 by 3. If the orders of the two matrices are same, then and then only we can find the addition of two matrices. But how? Adding corresponding elements. Adding corresponding elements means what? Here matrix A is given, matrix B given. Therefore our answer A plus B is equal to, this is here matrix A, here matrix B. What is our A matrix? Look there. 5 2 7. Here 1 2 1. This is our matrix A. Second here 2 2 2 1 0 3. Okay, here order 2 by 3. Here order 2 by 3. What is the answer? Answer is, our result is, the addition is obtained by adding corresponding elements. Look here. This is our first position. First row, first column. And number is 5. In the second matrix, first row, first column. Number is 2. So 5 plus 2. Look here. This number 5, this number 2. In between the two matrices there is a plus sign. So this is a 5 plus 2. And answer is here 7. Answer is here 7. Now second. Here number 2. Right here. Plus here number 2. What is the answer? 4. Here is 4. This is 4. Same way, number 3. Here number 7 plus here 2 What is the answer? Answer is 9. 7 plus 2, 9. Okay. Now here, this is about row first. Row number second. Second row, here, 1 plus 1. Look here, first position, here plus 1 plus 1. Here it is 2. Second one, 2 plus here 0. 2 plus 0, answer is 2. And now finally, 1, here 1, plus here 3, answer is here 4. So, this is a matrix, here our matrix having 2 by 3, 2 by 3, this is the order. Thus, this is answer, that is A plus B, here also A plus B. This is about how to add, how to make the addition of the given two matrices. What is the more important condition? More important fact here, the two matrices must be of same order. This is about addition of two matrices given. Okay. Let us see, instead of addition, if we write here subtraction of two matrices. Look here subtraction. Let us discuss subtraction of two matrices. Same way, look here, I am taking same example. A means same matrix. Matrix B, same one. Order 2 by 3. Order 2 by 3. Here find A plus B. Instead of A plus B, find A minus B. A minus B. Okay, we have to find now A minus B. For the solution, here A minus B is equal to, first write A matrix. Here minus. After that write B matrix. Here A minus B equal to, A minus B equal to, this is matrix first. First number minus this first number. Okay, that will give us answer. So I am writing the number like this. What is the first answer here? First number 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, what is the answer? 3. Look here, second number 2 minus 2 minus here 2. What is the answer? 2 minus 2, it is a 0 1. Here, third number 7 minus here 2, answer is here 5. This is row number first. Now look here, row number second. Second row, 1, 2, 1. Here, 1, 0, 3. So, 1 minus 1, answer 0. 1 minus 1, answer 0. After that, here number 2. 2 minus 0, answer is here 2. And here third one, 1, here 1, minus of 3, answer is minus 2. Okay, and order is same one. Instead of this plus, right here minus. Okay, this is about the subtraction of two matrices. In generally, what is the main requirement for the addition of two matrices or subtraction of two matrices? What is the main condition? Order must be same. If we discussed with two different matrices whose orders are not same, let us take one more example related to same concept here. Suppose here matrix A is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the order? Order is here 2 by 3. This is matrix, first matrix. Matrix A. Matrix B here, suppose 2, 5, 1, 1. Order 2 by 2. Find number 1 A plus B. Number 2, A minus B. Okay, just observe this example. So, here according to our addition concept, here order of first matrix here 2 by 3 and order of second matrix 2 by 2. Here orders of the two matrices are not same. So, we cannot find the addition of two matrices or subtraction of two matrices. Okay. Means what? If what will define? Let us define how to add or subtract. If A equal to Aij, this is a matrix of order m by n, and another matrix B. What will be matrix? The elements in a B matrix, write it as here matrix A, here matrix B, Bij, order m by n. Then their addition, A plus B equal to A matrix plus B matrix is equal to here first matrix Aij, order m by n, plus here Bij, order here m by n. This is the addition of the two matrices by adding corresponding element of this. We will write here like this: Aij plus Bij, here m having order m by n. This gives the addition of concept. This gives the definition of how to add the two matrices. Okay. About the subtraction of two matrices. A same matrix is given, B this matrix is given, and their subtraction use minus sign here, use here minus sign, and here also we can use here minus sign. Okay. So this is about algebra of two matrices. Okay. Let us take one example based on the algebra of matrices. Okay. Let us discuss one example related to this matrix. Okay. If a matrix A is given 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2 by 3. Order is here. Look there. Order is 2 rows. Columns are 3. Columns are 3. B matrix here. 2, 1, 0, 5, 2, 3. Order 2 by 3. Then find. We'll find number 1. A plus B. Look here. We are solving. A plus B. Number 2. A minus B. This is A plus B. Addition of two matrices. A minus B. Subtraction of two matrices. Number 3. Twice A plus thrice B. Look here. Twice A means scalar multiple concept. Thrice B, scalar multiple concept. Let us find values of these 3. Okay. Our answer for first. What is the answer of A plus B? What is the answer of A? What is A? A means our matrix first. What is matrix first? 3, 1, 2. Look here. 3, 1, 2. This is our row number first. 1, 1, 2. This is row number second. Plus here order 2 by 3. Look here, 2 rows. And columns are 3. Plus after that 2, 1, 0. 5, 2, 3. Order again 2 by 3. and we are going to find our addition. What is our addition? According to our addition rule, add corresponding element. First position is 3. First position is 2. Here we'll write here 3 plus 2. Sorry, 3 plus 2. What is the answer? Answer is 3 plus 2 here, 5. Okay, look, second number. Here 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, what is the answer? It is 2. Here 2 plus 0. Answer is here 2. Correct. Third one, second row. 1 plus 5. 5 plus 1 what? 6. After that here 1 plus 2. Answer is here 3. Okay. After that 2 plus 3. What is the answer? 5. This is about the addition of the two matrices. Okay. Look here. Addition of the two matrices. We can find the addition by direct way. First number 3, first number 2, 3 plus 2, 5. Look here, 5. Second number 1. Second number 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Yes, it is a 2. Third number 0, 2 plus 0, it is 2. Same way. Similarly, second row. 1, here 5, 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 2, here 3. Here 2, 3, it is a 5. And order is here 2 by 3. So, thus we have discussed about A plus B. Okay, let us now find A minus B. For second now, what is for A minus B? A matrix minus of B matrix. A matrix already here in between two matrices use minus sign. So, 3 according to our subtraction rule. Subtract corresponding element. Here 3 minus 2. Here 3 minus 2. Change the sign here only. Here 2 minus 0. Here first number minus this first number. Here minus. Here also minus. Here also minus. What is the answer here? The answers we can write as here 3 minus 2, it is 1. 1 minus 1, it is 0. 2 minus 0, it is 2. Look here. 1 minus 5. Minus 4. Here. 1 minus 2, it is minus 1. 2 minus 3, it is minus 1. Okay. So, on order is 2 by 3. This is about subtraction of the two matrices. Okay. For the subtraction, what is the necessary condition? Necessary condition is here. In between two matrices, we should write here minus sign. After that, subtract here first element of first matrix with first element of a second matrix. Second element of a second matrix with second element of second. Same way we can find the answer of any, if the two matrices, any two matrices given, then we can find such type of subtraction here. Let us find last 2a plus 3b. Let us find the answer of 2a plus 3b. Let us find 2a plus 3b. Solution. 2a plus 3b. For the answer of this, first number is 2 here. What is A? A means our matrix. Plus 3. Here again matrix. What is A? A means matrix. Here it is given 3 1 2 1 1 2 2 1 0 5 2 3 order 2 by 3 order 2 by 3. So what is the answer here? Multiply every element of a matrix by 2. 2 3 is 6 because this is scalar multiplication. Our scalar concept, A is a matrix and 2 is a scalar. B is a matrix, 3 is a scalar. What is the rule? Here 2 is outside the bracket. So multiply this 2 with all the elements which are given in the matrix. 2 with 3, 6. Here 2 into 1, 2. 2 into this, 4. 2 into 1, 2. 2 here, 4. Plus. Same way. Here is a 3 outside the given matrix. 3 to the 6. Here 3. Here 0. 3 5 the 15. Here 6. And 3 3 the 9. Order 2 by 3. Here order 2 by 3. And now this gives just addition of two matrices. Look here. This is a matrix. This is a matrix, and the two matrices having order same 2 by 3, here also 2 by 3. So we have to find add. How we can add? So add the corresponding elements. Corresponding elements, here 6, here 6. 6 plus 6. We should write here. How will you find the answer? Here 6 plus 6. What you will get answer? 6 plus 6. Here order, here 2 by 3. 6 plus 6, it is 12. Second element, 2. Here is the number 2. Here 3. 2 plus 3. What is the answer? 5. Here 4 plus 0. Answer is 4. This is row number first. Now here 2 plus 15, answer is 17. After that 2 plus here 6, 8. After that 4 plus here 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. Order 2 by 3. Okay, this is about the addition of two matrices, or we can say directly 6 plus 6, 12, 2 plus 3, 5, 4 plus 0, 4, here 2 plus 15, 17, 2 plus 6, 8, 4 plus this 9, it is a 13. Okay, thus we have discussed about the 2a plus how to find the matrix multiplication by a scalar, addition of two matrices, subtraction of two matrices. Okay, let us see one more example. Suppose example is given like this: if A equal to 1 2 3 4, this is a matrix given, then find 1080. Look here, find 1080. What is that 1080? 80 means transpose of a given matrix. 80 means transpose of a given matrix. So for the solution, A equal to 1 2 3 4, this is given. Okay, this is a given matrix. We have to find A transpose. Therefore A transpose. And how we can find transpose? How we can find transpose? Here row number first, write like this. Row number first, write in vertical column. Row number second, write like this. So this is of order 2 by 2, here also 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Thus we get A transpose. But our question is find value of 10A2, 1080. 1080 means multiply every element of a transpose by 10. So 10 into here 1, 3 to 4. So what is the answer? Our answer is 10. Here 30, 10 multiplied by 3, 10 multiplied by 2, 20, and 10 multiplied by 4, 40. So this is about A transpose. Okay. Thus, so we have discussed here properties, that is algebra of matrices. In algebra there is addition, subtraction, multiplication, like that. Here in concept of the algebra of matrices, we have discussed here equal matrices. Okay. After that, if a scalar is given, a number is given, how we multiply with the number with the given matrix, and their related property we discuss. Okay. After that, how to add the two matrices, how to subtract the given two matrices, and we have also discussed similar examples based on the given properties. In our next lecture, in our next video, we will discuss some again basic property related with same algebra of matrices, and we will also discuss what is by commutative law, what is by associative law, what is by distributive law. Such type of examples we will discuss in our next video. Also we will discuss how to multiply the given two matrices. Okay, thank you very much.